Yes, my people, good day. Working on a 2021 Toyota Corolla today, and I'm going to show you how you change the oil. First step, this is where you fill the oil at. It's kind of tight to open. Put it somewhere careful so you don't lose it. This is where you check. The reason I like doing that is because you will not forget that you need to put oil in. It is possible that you could forget. I'm just saying, not probable, but possible. So now we're going to go below. I'm going to show you where to drain and where to locate the oil filter. Let's go. This is the oil pan. It's real easy. Toyota made it really easy. This is the drain bolt. That's the oil filter. This is a 14 millimeter. You put it on there like so, like that. Loosen it. After you break it loose, you're going to get your drain bucket ready because you don't want to make a mess, and position it so that when your oil comes out, it goes into the bucket. Don't make a mess. And you just drain it. After you're done draining your oil, it's time to drain the oil filter. You're going to need an oil filter wrench. This is the one that I'm using right here. It fits on the filter itself, and you're going to break it loose just like you broke loose the drain plug. You position your drain plug, your drain bucket. And you get yourself a new oil filter, you install it, and then we are going to go up top now and refill it. How do you find out which oil is correct for your engine? It is written on it. And here it says SAE 0W20. That is what is supposed to go into this engine here. So we choose the right grade, 0W20, 0W20. This is what we're using. So you grab your funnel. After you put in about 4 quarts, you start the engine up, make it run for maybe around 15-20 seconds. Then turn the engine off, and then afterwards you check it, and you check it with the dipstick here. So the way you use the dipstick is you dip it, you pull it out, and you look, and there's a high mark and a low mark on the dipstick. So you wipe it off first. There's a high spot and a low spot, like a literal dot, and you dip it. And when you look, you see it's a little low, so it needs a little more, maybe about a quart. So you add that quart and then you do the process again. You don't have to restart. You just dip it, wipe it off, and then you check it. So yes, that's how you change your oil on your 2021 Toyota Corolla, and then check the level, make sure that it's correct. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.